gonna make a quick recording of what we got done so far. This is 107, 127 area. Looking at it right here. This done to this handhole, cross here. We have this moved over to right around here. And that's because of CU. In that same area, they got all this. And a fire hydrant. So that has been right here, shifted over to right here. Missing that. Now when it's crossing a road, in case it's going to be red. And then it's going to be green for direct burial. And so on there. This is back to that handhole area. So these are those handholes located here. Pop up. Need to finish this. Actually, I didn't do that. I just saw that. Here. I gotta finish that right there. Here's the, can't see them. The VSS is right here. Box and the power box. This is where the panel's located. This power goes out to this camera. Then we have this running to the camera as well for VSS, and then power over here. And then we can see that now over here. Looks like this. It's what you've been seeing already. Come across the road twice. Up here, goes across the road, red. Handhole, powered, panel, power to security cam. VSS is magenta. If you haven't caught on yet, blue is calm, orange is power. It goes for the boxes too. And these are labeled power and then whatever their number is. We have green throughout here because it's direct burial. These go down all the way. And they hit these. This is where some camera and power goes out. And come back. Comm just hits this and keeps rolling. Now they don't have that shown on here like that. They have it shown coming down here and they just kind of have a mess. But I have them together and I kept them in order. And lastly, after that one, we come all the way down here again. Now we have everything going. Video, comm, power, and then large 2-inch. And then we have the 2 1-inch and the video feed to the security camera down here. Right here, here's the security camera, here's the video feed, and here's the power. Looking at that area again as a full, we can turn on the topography that we have made with the file they gave us for grade. And as you can see, handhole across the road, handhole up here, handhole comm, all comm. Here's a stub up for power. And if I click this, you'll see it underground. The comm, power, video. Here's where we came all the way down. Hit these handholes. Cut across here. Hit these handholes. Comm comes out with them here. And then we have a stub up for the video. Which these will get tighter, but I kept them separated with that 1 foot separation. I'm going to turn this off again. We'll cut across here. We have magenta for video and blue for comm. We have them coming all the way over here, hitting these. Now these have actual elevations. So this is when it comes out and hits this. This is the manhole here. It looks at about 120-ish. And then it comes up to this handhole. It shows, super deep handhole, but it's really only 2 foot deep. And it's at 128.18, just to show you. We have this at 128 foot 2, it's put in at that same thing. Fix fix that. Alright. Comes up here, hits those, video stays, comm keeps rolling. Through here. Here we have a road. Show you that same route. Here's the monument here. Here's the bollards coming through here. We wrap around. You can actually see the water pipe with this a little bit. It gets really skewed when you try to bring CAD in here and it's a really big file like that, really far away. It just doesn't show up right. That's why it looks like this. Anyways, wrap around this corner. Hit this, hit these. And then comm keeps on rolling. Rolling up here. Hits here. Follow the contract, goes over here. Comes down and hits right here. I thought about doing this straight right here, but I'm going to do what they tell me to do in the drawings because I don't know if they wanted to bring future or something through here again. So these also correspond to, there's a road right here. Epsilon Drive comes through here. So you have the red going across for encased. And this didn't have a name, but I put it as 17 plus 11 comm handhole because it was labeled so on here, 17 plus 11, and then 129.9, which it's 130 on here because if you look at this with the topography on, you will see it's barely shown. So 130 works. As you can see, we're going from here to here next. And you see the route here. And then now we're going to here, which is the manhole. Shows us coming in top, exiting the bottom. The top, at the bottom. I don't think these are real. I don't think they're really like this. So I'm not dipping that down for that run. As you can see, I'm coming out the bottom, but I don't think that's shown accurately. This run comes downhill. Now this looks funky, agreed. But if you look at this next run here, this shows us coming downhill and finding a at 88.18. So it looks like we need to be at like 85 to the top. So that's a pretty big dip because we're not going to dig that deep this whole way. So our run more looks like this and then dips down and then back up. So that's what that is, which you can see here. And my guess to where that is this run right here. This crossing. As you can see here. Oop. I don't know where that is actually. Dip, back up. Can't go above it, it'll be too high. See, at the top we have it at almost 85 foot. So that keeps us definitely clear, as I'm using this dotted line as reference, 85. So we're going to take a dip right here and back up. Going on to telecom handhole cemetery 27, 86.82. 86.82, which is around 9 inches. I gotta hurry up, run out of video time. That's this one. Then we come across here, downhill. Come on. Cemetery 28 at 67, 11 inches. Oop. Downhill, straight from here. straight from here. 67.98, 67.11 inches. And then we have us cutting across here to the existing, which this is a question I have. As you can see, it's not sticking up above the ground at all. And that is because if you look at the CAD drawing here, we do have it telling us HH4A6. This is from their drawing, telling us where it is. I have that labeled HH4A6. We're at 56 and 11 inches, which theirs is 56.95, so that's about right. But if we go on here, the grade line before it, south of it, is 69. Grade line above it is 68. So that's like almost 10 feet above what they've given us. But anyways, crosses the road here. Across the road here, I have it in case. That'll be marked as such. Comes out, it turns out, finishes there. So that is the full run so far. I will have that point layout here shortly, and I will, I guess, put all these. You can see it's coming out. This is gonna move over. It's about right here. You can see all the sections that I have open. But they'll have all the layouts showing you what we're doing for each. This is the existing HH4A6. This is the existing here, showing you the difference in height that it's going to be. Pretty crazy. So I don't know if you just, I don't know what's going on there. Might need to be an RFI, and you can pause this video and take it and take pictures or whatever. Yep, so this will all be laid out calm blue. Red is encased. I'll get this drawing out tomorrow. And then I'll get all the sections done as well. Just looking at a few here. Now this is existing storm, and it's not even in that same spot, but it comes down here. Here's a turn up for the secure, or this handhole here, and then this for the cameras right here. So yeah, we got everything in here and about ready to go. So I'm gonna put points on this tomorrow and make drawings.